Good evening, friends. How are you all? I hope you people are doing well. And today's topic being protect your peace. These days, leading a peaceful life is very much important, And when you see that there is so much of trouble today in today's day-to-day life, there's so much of stress, so much of anxiety, so much of problem-related, work-related troubles. There is family-related trouble. There is parental troubles. Parents' health is not well, and so many kind of things are there. Activities are going there, and you have your kids also. You have to attend to your kids, but that is also there. And on top of that, you have your own life also to flow. It has to move ahead. So you know what? Today you don't find peace of mind, and in that kind of thing, we just forget to look after ourselves, and we get overstressed, and we just fall ill. Mental health is very much important. Is of very much importance to us. Other than having this kind of stress and all, you get dehydrated. You fall. You get so much stressed out that you just cannot get out of your bed to go to work and all these things, and you don't feel like doing anything, and your mental state is such that you start getting irritated of small things, and you start beating your kids and all these things. So these are very abusive behavior towards the kids, because when you cannot control your outside world, you feel that these are the kids and they are very small, so I'll control them. And on top of that, you start beating these small people. So don't ever take out your stress on them. You're just abusing them. These people, they do not even know what is happening. Then there's sometimes both the husband and wife is working, and they have too much of stress, work-related stress, family stress. So many things are there. So they start fighting, and the kids, if they're at home, they'll just see and they'll be confused, like why the parents are fighting, right? And this is really not a very healthy behavior, because then the kids will start thinking what is happening, and they, those stress is being passed to them. And sometimes I've also seen that the parents start hitting the kids when they fight and all, and if things are not solved between those people, they start the kids comes to them, and 1 or 2 slaps they get. So, and the poor thing, they don't even know, they don't even understand what they did wrong, was for which they got 2-3 slaps. So this kind of behavior is completely no. Try to control your stress. You can go for a morning walk. You can take some time off and unwind yourself. You can listen to music, or you can play music. You involve yourself with the kids, the kind of activities they do. Become kids with them. Start playing with them. This way you are taking out your stress, and you will get a peace of mind. Some people have this kind of thing that when they are very stressed out, they will be dusting their house or cooking something good. The cooking thing, it changes the state of mind. It takes out your stress. Or some people, just I said, they'll be cleaning the house and all these things. Or some people wants to go out, take time off, go out somewhere and just unwind and come back after a holiday. Or you go out for the evening, have a nice food in the restaurant, and you give a treat to your family. So this is also one of the way that you can take out your stress, because today's life, it's so fast that you forget your peace of mind. And then another thing is that some people have fought somewhere, and those people, they come and tell you certain things, that this and this happened between he and XYZ, and they will call you to settle the things. Never interfere in that, because you do not even know what had happened with that XYZ, and when this person comes and tells you, he might lie also. So always remember this, that just because he might be your friend, he might be your brother or sister, he might be anyone, right? So, and if they comes and tells you that come with me, I have certain things, certain issues with them, you just be out of it, because you do not know anything. And how will you know that this person is not lying to you? So just stay out of this kind of a situation, because it takes off your peace of mind. Why can't, adult people, they can sit together and they can solve their own problem. And if you want to go and become an arbitrator in between those two kind of people, then you better listen to them. Ask them to sit in front. Both they should sit in front, and one-to-one conversation should be there between them. You observe them, and then you give what you feel that is correct. If you want to give judgment or anything like that, you just listen to both the sides. Just don't go by one person, what he is saying. He might be lying to you, or she might be lying to you. You never know. So, and if you give some wrong kind of a decision, then for the person whom you have done certain good things, that person is going to come and let you fall into such kind of a trap. Those kind of people are there who will take away your peace of mind. Your life will be hell, and then they will come. They will tell the whole world that you have done this to them. So I have seen such kind of people. So I am saying that never fall into such kind of a trap. Those are toxic people. So always stay away. Try to understand why a person is coming and telling you what they are telling you about others. If a person comes and tells you about others, it is very quite possible that this same person is going to go to other people and tell certain things about you and take advantage of you. First they will take advantage of you, and then they will ruin you. So always try to maintain your own peace of mind. Don't fall into all these kind of a situation. So with this I end here today. I hope you people are having a nice time and nice holidays also, since the weekend is coming. And with that I end here. So if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Ayushi Bose, motivational and business speaker. And let me know in the comments that what kind of video you would like to see. What kind of topics you want me to talk about over here, with examples that I give during the weekends, so that I can prepare accordingly. And again, nothing more than this. I hope you all are having a nice time, and I'll come to you another day with another topic. Till then, bye. Stay happy and stay away from negative people.